Hi, good evening. This is Rick with Triple S Sanitary Sewer Services, LLC. Today is May 14, 2019. We're going to be doing a post-sewer inspection after a sewer repair has been done close by the house. All cast iron has been removed with 10 feet of Schedule 40 PVC added and 2 double sweep cleanouts. Right now we're looking at the city main line here at 118 foot 1 inch. We'll travel back, take a look at the pipe, and then go straight to the house from the other cleanout. Here is the set of double sweep cleanouts. So the one we just were at, the one that's open, goes to the city main. The other one goes to the house. This will be all Schedule 40 PVC from this point to the house. Here is the transition from Schedule 40 PVC to ABS pipe at 12 foot 11 inches. This will be located in the crawl space. We'll continue to the very end, and then you'll be able to see the cleanout access that's located in the crawl space as well. Okay, just straight ahead of you, there's a square cap. That's a cleanout access. We'll pull back and end the survey. Sewer line looks good.